guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching my video, I would suggest not to, because this might sound and just turn out to be like a very rant sort of a video, even though it is not. It's just me catching up my subscribers with where I have been, what I've been up to, why I haven't been uploading lately. So yeah, like I don't want you guys to watch this for the first time and be like, oh my god, like she is crazy like a woman, you know. So yeah, I have like a lot of other videos. You can go to my uploads and watch other videos. But to all my existing subscribers who were wondering what's wrong with me, or even if you were not, and I'm just like all of a sudden on your feed and you're like, like she decides to show up today, let's see. If you're any of those two, I really appreciate. This video is going to be a long one. Yeah, this is actually my first time. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why I'm explaining so much. It's just the intro. So yeah, just please don't come at me, because I'm not very good at sharing stuff anyways. And I feel like this is the first time I am doing this. So I hope you guys understand where I'm coming from. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, this video is going to be a little bit noisy because I'm filming this in my room. I don't know how to film a video where I'm going to talk about my life, where I actually film like in a hall, because my sister, my mom, everybody is going to be there, and I'm not very good in like talking about my stuff in front of others. Anyway, so that's why I'm filming in this room. The background is not very nice, I know that, and also you'll hear like a lot of like noise, because I just cannot manage to film a video without fan on, because it is so hot right now. And yeah, and when I start getting really hot, I like rush through, and that's not very good when I'm trying to, you know, share what's been going on in my life, and just trying to get to know what's going on with you guys. So yeah, this is going to be extremely chatty. If you are one of those people who's going to comment, why don't you keep your videos short and things like that, please don't do that. Like, do not do that. It takes a lot for me to sit down and like talk about my life. I don't think I've ever shared what I've been going through, like ever. Like, I know I'm gone for like a very long time, like very long time sometimes, and I come back and I film a regular video, and I never give you guys any explanation as to why I was gone or anything like that. And I know it is not the right thing to do. Like, I know that you guys, I mean, at least I owe an explanation to you as to why I was gone for so long, or what really was happening, why I was not able to put out content. But it is just difficult for me to share because of multiple reasons. A, I feel like nobody really cares as to what is going on with my life. Nobody wants to know why I wasn't able to put out the videos. They just want to be mad at me because I wasn't putting out the videos. And I get it, like I really get it. For example, I also watch like a lot of videos, and until and unless it is someone who I really like watching, I would really care about them as to like why they're not posting, where are they, they're gone for so long. But if somebody just random stops making videos, I'm not going to really care, and I feel like I am that somebody who stops making videos. And I'm not sharing this to gain self-pity or anything like that. That is the last thing that I want to do. And the reason why I never really open up is because of the fact that people will feel like I'm trying to gain pity or something. And to be very honest, I don't think I have the right to sit and complain to be that somebody who really nobody cares about, because I am not doing this full time. This is not my full-time job, and nor do I ever want it to be. When I did start out, yes, I'm not going to lie, I did have you know, certain things in mind. Oh, if this pans out and if this really goes big, you know, I might do this full time and things like that. But now that I've understood how this industry works and just certain things I absolutely do not like about it, I don't think I would ever do this full time. There are just a lot of things, like especially when it comes to branded content and stuff like that. I do not like so many things, and I don't want to get started with that, because like it is like I am one of them, and I'm also trashing other people who are doing it when they're doing it full time. So I don't want to get started with all of that. But as a person, when I started out this whole thing, like my YouTube, I never thought that doing like branded content would be so difficult, because of course if you follow like a lot of other YouTubers, you would know that it is not very easy. You have to say certain things even if you don't believe in it, and I can't do that. Like I really can't do that. I know a lot of people don't. You can work around things with the brands, but it's not that easy, quite honestly. And yeah, so I don't want to be one of those creators who just sits here and promotes every new campaign or just everything and anything, to be very honest. And that's why I never want to make this as my full-time job or full-time career. And so if I'm gone, like it might seem to you guys like, oh, like she really does not care about her YouTube. Honestly guys, if that was the case, I would have stopped doing this long ago, like very long ago. And even now I don't really have to do this. Like if I want, I can just like be gone, and I know nobody is going to really care about it. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I feel like I have to like just get this out of my chest, how I feel about this whole YouTube thing, how I feel about it doing, like how I feel about doing this right now in this pandemic. So I want to explain now that why I was not in the right headspace to film videos and stuff. So before I get started with my thing, I want to know like how is it going for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys are also working from home. And I've been seeing like a lot of memes from a lot of my friends sharing their whole journey like working from home, and it definitely is not what at least I felt like it was going to be. Like, okay, so I feel like if you're a workaholic, you will understand me. And when I say workaholic, I do not mean it in a bragging way at all. Like I feel like it's my weakness, quite frankly. But I feel like when you're going to bed and you just cannot stop thinking about the work that you have to do, like maybe 2 days or like a week later, that's crazy. That is not something that you should be worrying about so much. And it gets to me, like I am that kind of person. Like I swear, like these, so from the time work from home has started, and I do not say it in a negative way or anything, it's just my weakness. Like that's just how I am. Like if I am doing something, especially my work, I take it so seriously sometimes, and it is a good thing to take your work seriously. It's not, there's nothing wrong about it, but I feel like I take it so seriously sometimes that it gets to my head, and then I get so exhausted. And that's what has been happening, guys. I don't want to give in like too much detail. Of course, you know, it's work, so I don't understand how I can give anything. But basically, we had like a lot of like crazy volume of work. Okay. And that happens with every organization, everywhere. Like, you know, sometimes you have like crazy workload, sometimes you have like mediocre, sometimes you have very less. And it just so happened with us that we had like a lot of workload right now. So even though like all of us were so excited about getting work from home, you know, thinking, oh, you know, we are going to have a little freedom, a little more fun, and it just did not really go around that way at all. At least for me, I think everybody in at least my work, it did not happen for any of us like that. All of us are like working our asses off. We are working on the weekends and things like that, sometimes at least. So yeah, that's what has been happening. I was in such a crazy work mode, that I did not have the time to take care of my skin, and now, very honestly, I have like blackheads all over. I feel like this is such a rant video, like I'm just complaining. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So yeah, so that's what has been keeping me from like creating content, and honestly I would be so exhausted at the end of it. Like the last thing that I would want to do is like sit in front of a camera and film a video talking about beauty stuff. Like that's just not how I function, you know. I love everything about it, but I just cannot talk about it when I'm not in the mood to, or in that headspace to talk about it, you know. Like it's not something which just is going to come out anytime you want to, and that's why I felt like I am not going to force myself or, you know, beat myself up thinking, oh, I'm not posting videos like other creators are doing right now. And yeah, so that guilt was again just eating me up, like, oh my god, Akriti, like you are doing such a bad job as a creator. Of course, I'm like managing my work and everything. That is all going good. Even though we have like a lot of workload right now, it's finally decreasing a little bit, so that's good. But I was like, okay, I'm handling this, but why am I not handling that? So I would still like try to film videos, and the outcome would be so bad. Like the outcome would be so bad. I would not like it, and then I would just not feel like editing it, because of course I did not like how it turned out. So yeah, I did have that thought ki, you know, nobody really cares. Nobody cares. Again, I don't want you guys to pity me or something. Like that is all not required at all. That is not why I'm filming this video. I'm doing this because I want to just get it out, and I want you guys to know okay, why I was gone, you know. And it's not like I don't care about this channel or things like that. I do, like I sincerely do. I do this because I love it so much, you know. A lot of my friends ask me ki, especially if you're working on the weekends, you do not really want to like do something, like you do not want to plan something and do you know, things out of your comfort zone. And so a lot of people ask me ki, what makes you be so dedicated on, you know, filming videos on the weekends when you can actually just relax, watch Netflix and chill, just have fun, not really do anything on the weekend, because that's what a lot of people do, right? Like if they go out, they go out. If not, they just sit at home and do their thing, just relax. And that's not how I function. Like I'm always excited about weekends because I know that I get to film videos aram se. Like I can film videos on the weekdays as well. And I'm not talking about right now, not work from home wise, but like before all of this work from home thing started. But I can film on the weekdays as well, but then on those days it is so hectic because I have to like rush things, and then the video does not come out so well, and I mostly end up refilming the videos. So it's not like I can't, but weekends are the days when I can like film videos really well, like aram se. So people ask me, oh, how do you do that? Like, don't you feel bored of doing the same thing over and over again on the weekends? And I go like, no, never. Like I never feel that way at all. So yeah, I think what I'm trying to say is, I don't want you guys to feel like I don't care about this channel, or I just don't care about you guys or anything like that. I really did miss filming and interacting with you guys, but at the same time I just had to do what I had to do. I couldn't force myself. So that is why I was gone, basically because of my actual work, and I was not in the right headspace to film videos. Okay, so for this video I don't have anything in mind, so I'm just gonna do something with my eyes. I'm taking my Revolution Pro Luxe Shadow Palette and I'm just gonna do something. I really don't know. Anyways, I want to know how you guys are doing, especially if you're working from home. How is it going? I feel like if you don't have like a lot of workload, things will be fine for you, but if you do, then you don't know when to take break, you don't know when to eat, you don't know when to go to bed, because you have the liberty to keep working, right? Like it's not like, oh, you have to go home. Like there's no restrictions like that anymore. And that's why if you do have like a lot of work, I feel like it's very easy to like forget to where to stop, and that's what has been happening with me. But I'm trying not to like, you know, take it so seriously that it kind of affects my mental health, which it has been. Like I'm not even kidding, like from almost 2-3 weeks the only like dreams I've been getting are all related to my work, which is not cool. Like it's not safe. Like why am I taking things so seriously? And I feel like people who are going to watch from my work are like, if they end up watching this, they're going to be like, I'm bragging, I'm like so braggy and just like, but I'm not. That's why I never share all this stuff, because people take it in such a bad way. Okay, I think I'm going to put on this shade Golden, this sparkly glittery shade right in the middle. Let's see. By the way, this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, I've had this for what? almost 6 months now, maybe more, and I never liked it because it was so clumpy and so wet. But now that it has dried up so much, it actually performs very good. And that happens with me with a lot of mascaras. Like I will never like it when I get it brand new, and then I leave it for like a few months sometimes, and then when it dries down, oh my god, the formula is so nice. Just watch how beautiful my lashes are gonna look now. Wow, that's nice. Anyway, so I would love to know how your quarantine is going. Like, I know not everybody is just stuck with crazy amounts of work, and if that is the case, I'm so happy for you. But I'm also not complaining. Like, I don't mind working, you know. I love it. Like, I would hate it when I'm just like free and I don't know what to do. I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. By the way, this ColourPop blush that I showed you guys in my last haul, I ended up dropping this. Like, I don't understand how I just drop my brand new makeup products and I break it. So it's kind of broken. It breaks my heart because it's such a beautiful, beautiful blush. So I think I'm gonna put on this shade called Deja Nude. Let's see how this looks like. I feel like it's kind of clashing with the eyes, so I'm gonna use something which is a little lighter. There's this shade called Your Latte. Let's see how this looks like on top. Okay, so my camera's battery died midway and I just finished the lips. I still don't like, I think it's kind of clashing with my t-shirt now. It's weird, but I'm not going to change it. It's just catching up sort of a video, so let's not take this look so seriously. I actually like the monotonous look, but it's clashing with this t-shirt, so that's fine. But that's it. That's all that I had to say. Honestly, I was in that headspace where I would go to YouTube, I would see like so many videos being posted by other creators, and I would be so guilty of not doing it. And that's it, you guys. I would love to chat with you in the comment section below. I really, really want that. Especially when I was gone for so long, I would love to chat with you guys now. And that's about it. I'll see you in my next video.